This is always a popular model here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. This car kind of has that Pro Street vibe to it, if you will. Paired up to an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Willwood brake system with slotted and drilled rotors at all four corners. Also has power steering. Let's take a look at the front chrome, bright work, headlight surrounds. As you can see, kind of two-tone with the hood. This is an interesting combo. It actually looks pretty good. It's kind of a flat bronze, I guess, if you will. And the paint on it is a house of colors, candy blend. It's called Catch Me Copper. And of course, spelled with K's as the first letter. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You can see all the pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There's an idea on the 5-spoke wheels. Very similar color to the two-tone hood. And there's your Willwood disc brake system. And again, that's at all four corners. We're going to start this car up at the end of the video. Great sounding car. That EFI system on it. Controllers in the glove box. You can see that in the still pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. A couple real small little touched up spots here or there as far as just a little touch up paint. And you can see the color really pops on this car. Interior custom Pro Car bucket seats. Shifter on the floor. We're going to get around to the driver's side, get into that just a little bit more. Like I said, start it up, let you hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive, take it down the road, put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Remember, as always, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looks good, and again, you can see that paint, nice shine to it. Reflection coming off it. Tinted rear window. There's also a light tint on the side glass, so know your local and state laws. Depending on the percentage of window tint, it's different in every state. I'd like to make that announcement. Another thing to remember is, if you like these mid-70s cars, maybe like muscle cars, late model sports cars, maybe like antiques, early turn of the century stuff, make sure you subscribe. Go ahead and like our YouTube channel here, because these videos get uploaded daily. You never know what you may see pop up on here. These vehicles are available to purchase online and of course on our showroom floor. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Take a look at the driver's side. Again, you can see the paint shows well. No major nicks, dings, scratches. When we open the door, a few things that we're going to see. It does have aftermarket odometer gauges and kind of a carbon fiber look dash. It does have a billet, I did it, the steering column in there. I mentioned the Pro Car bucket seats. Underneath, still pictures underneath. Take your time looking through those. You're going to see that this also has tubular control arms, Hotchkiss, and then suspension components, your sway bars, that type of thing. Take a look at the undersides. You'll be able to see that. Under the hood, when I start it up, we're going to see some ceramic coated headers underneath there. And a nice setup again with that EFI system. Some more stuff underneath the car you would see. You're going to see those ceramic coated headers. Those are connected to a true dual exhaust system. 3-inch, also Flowmaster mufflers. Here's that kind of custom, again, Pro Car seat. Some Simpson lap belts. This is where I'm kind of getting into that. It's got that kind of Pro Street feel to it, if you will. And it sounds good. Over here to the left, that's electric fan switch. Make sure it's up. Keep that engine cool. Again, you can see the odometer gauges and that kind of carbon fiber look. Dash, headliner, looks good. All right, for the best car to this car, let's start it up. Let's hear it run. Electric fuel pump. The key, by the way, on the steering column's right down. If you can see where it is, right here. There we go. Turn it on. Hear the electric fan come on. Fuel pump. There's that EFI system, they pop right off. All right, gauges all seem to be working. We have oil pressure here, popped right up. Fuel gauge, tach. And around here, water temperature that was a cold start. Voltmeter, stereo system. Stereo system is working. Top of the dash looks good. And this car has a bad sound to it. This will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. No doubt about that. There's that rumble. Let's slip up to the front, take a peek underneath the hood. See if it looks as good as the rest of this car. Remember, stick around to the end of this video. We're taking this thing for a drive. Underside of the hood looks as good as the car itself. This will be a car you can open the hood on at your local car shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, and be proud. Aluminum radiator. There's also a billet aluminum serpentine belt system. Edelbrock intake, fuel injection system. Beautiful engine bay. Any questions, call us 507-386-1726, 19 Chevrolet Nova. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very cool 1971 Chevrolet Nova. And Catch Me Copper, that's what we're going to call it. Beautiful copper color. Racing seats, B&M shifter right on the floor, so it is an automatic. Aftermarket Pro Comp gauges. This car's got a lot of get up and go. Let's see what she does. Yes, very good throttle response. Lots of fun. Sounds awesome. All of our gauges are working. Water temperature 160. Oil pressure 55 right now. Volts are over 12. Tachometer working, speedometer working. Very comfortable car. I like this steering wheel. Racing seats a lot of times to me aren't that comfortable. These are at the perfect angle, perfect height, and they're not too hard. This car has a great exhaust note. The idle sounds amazing. Power steering. It's always a benefit when you have an awesome package with lots of power and the creature features like power steering. This one also Kenwood radio in the dash. One of the better ones, and that sounds good. Carbon fiber surrounding those gauges. Very fun to push that throttle down on this car. If I let go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight. This car feels good on the road. Firm enough to feel the road. Will let you know what's going on, but not a harsh ride, and a nice ride. This is a car you really should drive, but take a look at all the pictures. at uniqueclassiccars.com or give us a call at 507-386-1726.